In regional cooling and energy station construction, what is the ultimate proof of an ice storage system's long-term reliability? It's not just winning the initial bid, it is the client's decision to repurchase for capacity expansion. Recently, Runpaq's self-developed new Nano thermal conductive composite coil ice storage equipment officially arrived at the Zhuhai Hengqin 7 cooling station. This marks the third time the same owner, at the same core energy station, has chosen Runpaq. Facing Hengqin's harsh coastal environment of high salt spray and humidity, Runpaq's composite coils utilize a polymer-based nano-thermal conductive material. This technology delivers a thinner ice layer, higher end of ice making efficiency, and an external melt discharge temperature stably at or below 1°C. What was the most challenging environmental issue you encountered in the regional cooling project? Please leave your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to the official channel of the Source Label to learn more about the latest low-carbon energy storage solutions.